What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you guys some cool features on the Lexus app. So there's actually 3 ways you can open your Lexus NX. The first one is using the traditional key right here, and then the second way is each Lexus NX should come with like a digital card key. So you just need to have this around with you and it can start your car, it can open and lock doors. I mean, you don't have buttons on here, but you can pretty much like open a door automatically. And then lastly is the Lexus app. So you can start your car from there, and many more features I'm about to explain soon. Alright, now let's get started on the main Lexus app. So as you guys can see, there are 2,700 miles. It shows how much fuel you got in there too, and what the distance is. It's actually not full. I've been driving for the past like 90 miles, so it's actually, the distance to empty should be a lot longer when it's completely full. Let's click this. So this is the coolest part about the app. It actually shows you if all your doors are locked or closed and your windows are closed as well. So that's very useful when you park very far away, you're at some event and it starts to rain. So you want to make sure like all your windows are up and your doors are closed or locked. So I think that's a really cool feature. Now let's scroll down. So we have the start button, lock, unlock. So let's unlock it since it's locked. And this is all dependent on the signal that your car gets, also your phone. So if the signal is weak for both, oh there you go, it just unlocked. It takes a while. So where I'm at right now, I'm not getting strong signal for my Lexus or my phone. So that's why it takes like a few seconds, because usually it's instant. Now let's try to lock it. Click the lock button anytime. There you go, it's locked. All right, so let's go to advanced controls. This is the cool part right here. So this is gonna get a little loud, but I'm gonna press the horns. So 2 beeps for the horns, and then I'm gonna turn on the lights. Now let's see if it shows up. There you go, the lights are on. And so that's pretty much the features for advanced controls. All right, now let's move down to climate control. So remote climate, I think this is very useful, especially if like you have you don't have a garage and your NX is parked outside in the cold winters. You can like remote start your car and set it to a certain temperature, or even in the summer, like you can have your AC running as well. Sorry, it's getting like really, really windy out here. This is Maryland weather for you. And yeah, you got all these features. You can turn on the heated steering wheel before you get in the car, turn up the heats on your seats, defrost your windows. There's a lot of cool features if you don't have a garage, so this is very useful. All right, now let's head down to the guest driver settings. So this is a really cool feature. So let's say you let other people drive your car, so you can enable certain settings. So let's go to the valet. So if you go to the valet, they can only go to a speed limit of 30 miles an hour. So this would be great, especially if you had this is a great feature for sports cars, because you know how many people would abuse the heck out of your car if you gave them like a Ferrari or like a Corvette or whatever other GTR cars out there. And then the total miles they can drive is 2 miles. You can even set off area limits and total time limit of half an hour. And if they go over any of these features, then the car pretty much just stops. They can't drive it. So I think this is a really cool feature to have, and it goes same for friends. Like you can set like limits for friends, like hey, don't abuse my car, like don't drive 20,000 miles. So I think this is a really cool feature to have. Great job to Lexus. All right, now let's check the manage key section. All right, so here it is. So digital key section is pretty much who you want. You can share up to 7 keys. What that means is like other 7 people can download the Lexus app and have the same access to pretty much your car, pretty much be a digital key for your car. They can unlock it. Pretty much all the features we went through, they can have access to that. And I think you can manage what kind of access they have too, I believe. So you can pretty much share it with 7 other people. So I think that's pretty cool. It also can be very dangerous, so be careful who you share your digital keys with. All right, so let's go scroll down. You can see and the time and the location, and creepy at the same time, depends on how you use it. You got your destinations where you can set like work, home, places like that. Scroll down even more. This is a pretty cool feature. Pretty much shows you like where your trips are and the time it shows, the dates, the miles, and how long you've been driving. This is another cool and creepy feature. You know, you can kind of stalk whoever drives your car, but it's kind of cool feature to have too, I guess. And then the drive pulses, I guess, it's like a score of like how aggressive or how good you drive for your gas mileage or something. It's based on, looks like, fast acceleration, harsh cornering, and harsh braking. Then you scroll down, roadside assistance, serviced by Lexus. You can schedule stuff. I'm not really taking my NX to the Lexus. All it needs is oil change every 5 to 6,000 miles. And that's pretty much it. Until you hit like 60,000 miles, you can get your transmission fluid flush, but it's much cheaper to do it like at other places that you trust rather than the dealership because they rip you off. We go down here, vehicle health report. Never even clicked it, so let's check what it is. Oh, that's neat. So it shows you like all the recall notices, service campaigns, current vehicle alerts, maintenance status, miles driven, smart key battery. Wow, that's pretty cool. All right. So if there's any recalls, you can just check the app rather than, I guess, Googling it. Vehicle health, there's no active alerts, manuals and warranties, park with Parkopedia. I think that's pretty cool, especially if you live in the city, I think. So near me now, 2 hours. Let's park let's find in DC, USA. Let's find parking. So that's pretty cool. It shows you where, it shows you like where free parking is, and then like, oh, you can find for $11 and all that. That's pretty cool. I think this could be a pretty useful feature within the Lexus app. And then let's back out. Oh, we got collision assistance, document collision. I think that could be pretty useful. Warm up for winter. I think these are just pretty much facts after that. Let's click on notification. So it pretty much shows you everything that you commanded for your NX right here in your notifications. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty much like a history book or a history list. An account. I'm not going to show you my personal info because that's personal. Payment method, I'm not going to show you either. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you guys out on the Lexus app and the features it has on it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I helped you guys out, please hit the subscribe button because that will help out immensely. And please feel free to leave a comment down below on any other topics you guys want me to cover. Thank you guys and have a good one.